Imagine waking up to the news that the company you work for is laying off half of its employees. Your heart is racing and your palms sweat. But what if I told you there's a way to approach that situation with confidence rather than fear? In this video, we'll answer 3 important questions that might impact your financial future. How can you establish a financial fortress that even a recession cannot breach? Is it really possible to have a career that never ends? And what's the key to getting a job while everyone else is struggling? These aren't simply idle curiosity. They're essential to your economic existence and prosperity. Stay on, because at the end of this video, you'll have a foolproof plan to not just survive, but prosper in any economy. Prepare to alter your approach to job security and financial stability. Let's start with a question. How long could you go without a paycheck? 1 week? 1 month? If the concept makes you break out in a cold sweat, you are not alone. But here's some good news. You're going to discover how to transform your anxiety into confidence. Here's your 3-step approach to establish a solid financial foundation. Step 1, eliminate the debt. I understand, easier said than done, but hear me out. Every dollar you owe is like a small weight pulling you down. Consider how much lighter you would feel without it. Begin with the lesser debts and work your way up. It's like playing financial Jenga in reverse. With each piece removed, you increase stability. Step 2, create your financial fortress, or emergency reserve. Aim for 3 to 6 months of spending stashed aside. But I can barely save for a coffee. I understand. Begin small. Even $10 every week adds up. It's like slowly filling a pool with a garden hose. Before you realize it, you're ready to dive in. Step 3, continue investing for the long term. When the economy becomes fragile, most individuals worry and withdraw their money. Do not be like most people. Consider buying food on sale. When prices decrease, it's an opportunity to store up for the future. The point is that if you follow these procedures, leaving a job becomes a diversion rather than a dead end. You'll have more time to look for your next opportunity without worrying about how you'll pay your rent next month. Now, let's get to the big question. Is there a recession-proof job? Spoiler alert. Not quite, but don't go away just yet. What I'm going to reveal is much better. Even occupations we assume are quite secure, such as government posts or vital personnel, might be cut when circumstances are tight. Remember the 2013 government shutdown. Thousands of secure employees were furloughed. But here's the silver lining. While no profession is completely safe, certain occupations are like cockroaches. Stay with me here. They can withstand practically everything. When evaluating job security, consider industries that people need regardless of the economic condition. Healthcare remains crucial because people do not cease becoming sick just because the economy is down. Utilities continue to operate. Even if the lights go out on Wall Street, folks need to keep their lights on at home. Grocery shops remain open because, regardless of economic conditions, we all need to eat. And don't forget about trained trades. A leaking pipe will not mend itself, recession or not. These industries indicate that some services remain important independent of economic volatility, providing some employment security during difficult times. The key? Focus on skills and industries that solve problems people will always have. It's like being a superhero. The world will always need someone to save the day. Okay, are you ready to become a job-finding ninja? Because I'm about to teach you how to find chances that most people never notice. Forget job boards. Forget about constantly changing your CV for internet applications. That's like attempting to win the lotto with your job. Instead, we'll think little and win large. Small enterprises are a hidden gem for career chances. They're always seeking good workers, but they don't always have the time or resources for elaborate job advertising. Your mission? Be the solution to their issues before they know they need you. Here's your action plan. Skill inventory. List every skill you have, and I mean everything. Think you're just a stay-at-home parent? Congrats, you're actually an expert in time management, conflict resolution, and crisis handling. Network like a pro by joining local business groups, attending community events, and volunteering. Show genuine interest in individuals and what they do. It's like sowing seeds. You never know which ones will sprout into your next chance. The ideal pitch: this is where you become seductive to small business owners. Create a proposal outlining how you can make their life simpler. To provide an example, hi, name of the business owner, I noticed your plumbing business is booming. I bet you're drowning in phone calls and scheduling headaches. I've got a knack for organization and customer service. How about we chat about how I could free up your time to focus on what you do best? Now, let's reveal your hidden superpowers, which are your transferable abilities and secret weapons that will make you useful in any position. Finding yours is easier than you would believe. Congratulations if you've ever managed to quiet a crying kid in a busy supermarket. You're an expert at problem solving and managing high-pressure circumstances. Have you ever planned an outdoor function only to be met by unexpected rain? That demonstrates adaptability and thinking on your feet. Have you successfully explained to your grandparents how to video call? You are more than simply a patient. You are an expert technical translator who demonstrates excellent communication abilities. If you've coordinated a neighborhood cleanup, you've shown leadership as a community motivator and project manager. These common experiences are more than simply life skills. They are your professional superpowers, making you valuable in every workplace. Now, let's bring it all together in a compelling pitch. Here is a template. Hi, name of the business owner. I couldn't help but notice how specific observation about their business. It got me thinking, with my background in your key skills, I might be able to help you solve a specific problem or achieve a goal. I'd love to chat about how I could specific benefit you could provide. Do you have 15 minutes this week for a quick call? This approach shows you've done your homework, understand their needs, and are already thinking about solutions. It's like offering a free sample. Once they get a taste of how you can help, they'll want more. Take a moment and think back to the beginning of this video. Remember that pit in your stomach when we talked about job loss? Now, look at how far you've come. You've got a plan to build a financial fortress that can weather any storm. You understand what real job security looks like in today's world. It's not about finding a safe job. It's about being adaptable and valuable. You've uncovered a goldmine of hidden job opportunities that most people never even see. And you've got the tools to showcase your true value to potential employers, turning your everyday experiences into standout skills. You're no longer at the mercy of the economy. You're in control, ready to adapt, and equipped to thrive no matter what comes your way. That's not just job security, that's life security. Concerned about job security in a volatile economy? With a solid approach, we can transform our anxiety into confidence. First, develop a financial fortress, pay off debt, set up an emergency fund, and continue to invest for the long term. This allows you to locate opportunities without worry. While no career is completely recession-proof, focus on skills in industries that tackle long-term needs, such as healthcare, utilities, and skilled crafts. Remember that you are not just searching for work security, but also for life security. Begin by outlining your transferable superpowers. Remember when you hushed a screaming toddler? This is high-pressure problem solving. Did you have a planned event that was rained out? You're versatile and quick thinking. By using this method, you are no longer at the whim of the economy. Instead, you are in charge, adaptable, and prepared to prosper regardless of what comes your way.